Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. In this one, I'm going to record a solution to the 8Q Kata Correct the Mistakes of Character Recognition Software. Don't worry, it's a lot easier than the title makes it sound. Let's train. And I won't read the whole thing. You can come find it. I'll link it in the thing. But basically, S is misinterpreted as 5, 0 is O is misinterpreted as 0, and I is misinterpreted as 1. I'm going to do this kind of in a basic way. I'm just going to say for C in S, that's character and string, if... Now, which way does it go? Do I turn S's into 5s or 5s into S's? I turn 5s into S's. And let's make an out string equals empty string. If C equals 5, out S. I think I could do plus equals with strings. Well, let's just be safe and do it the way I know it's okay. Out S plus C, L if C equal 0, out S equal out S. Oops, this was C is wrong here. Plus capital S, out S plus capital O, L if C equal 1, out S. You know what? I already see a better way to do this. I'll come back to that later. Out S equal out S plus, what is it? 1. Oh, plus I. Now we need the else case. Out S equal out S plus C. Let's check if that's right. Test and attempt. Okay, that's a solution. But I realized I can be a lot cleaner. I can use the value in C and take away this else. If C equals 5, C equals S. If C equals 0, C equals O. And if C equals 1, then C equals I. And finally we can do out S equal out S plus C. And we return out S. This should work just the same. Yep. Attempt. And I'm going to submit it and see what other answers we have here. Okay, using some string methods in Python, that makes sense. Make translate. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Okay, that's that video. Thanks for watching.